Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you have a reliable Wi-Fi connection and your phone is charging. That prevents interruptions and failed patches. Once done, confirm you're signed into the Google account used on the device. Play System Updates check that account. Now open Settings and go straight to About Phone. Don't pause for other menus, because the Google Play System Update entry is located there. You're now ready to trigger the actual check. You'll find the Play System Update option under About Phone or System Advanced. This is the only path that triggers the Play Service's runtime patch. Tap Check for Update and allow any permissions or download prompts. This fetches modular updates delivered by Google rather than full OS packages. Make sure to stay on Wi-Fi and avoid closing settings while it downloads. The installer typically runs in the background. Let it complete so components update correctly without breaking services. After the download completes, you may be prompted to reboot. Do that to finalize the update and allow Play components to initialize. Once restarted, confirm the Play System version under About Phone to ensure success. If no update shows, clear cache for Google Play Services and Google Play Store, then repeat the check. That often unblocks staged rollouts. If problems persist, sign out and back into your Google account. Factory reset is the absolute last resort because it erases data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.